High fuel consumption, or poor MPG, means your vehicle isn't efficiently using fuel. This leads to more frequent fill-ups and increased costs. It also negatively impacts the environment due to higher emissions. We'll cover the top reasons for this issue and how to address them, helping you save money and reduce your carbon footprint. Underinflated tires increase rolling resistance, forcing your engine to work harder to maintain speed. This significantly lowers your MPG. Check your tire pressure regularly. Refer to the sticker on your driver's side door jamb and inflate them to the recommended PSI. Maintaining proper inflation can improve MPG by up to 3 to 5%. The oxygen sensor monitors the amount of oxygen in the exhaust gases and helps regulate the air-fuel mixture for optimal engine performance. A faulty oxygen sensor disrupts this balance, causing the engine to run inefficiently with incomplete combustion and wasted fuel. If you suspect a faulty oxygen sensor, have it checked by a mechanic. Replacement can significantly improve MPG. Fuel leaks are a direct waste of fuel. Have any suspected leaks repaired immediately. Worn spark plugs, belts, or fuel injectors also reduce efficiency. Regular maintenance, including replacing these aging components, will keep your engine running smoothly and maximize your MPG. California wildfires may also lead to punctures and tire damage, leading to a 5% MPG drop in affected regions. State programs for free tire checks mitigated this.